Hello friends, my name's Tuba. Have a cup of warm water 120 milliliters. Have a cup of milk 120 milliliters. One-quarter cup of olive oil 50 milliliters. 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. 1 tablespoon of dry yeast 5 grams. 1 egg white, I separated the egg yolk. Mix well. Welcome to my channel. I would be very happy if you write in the comment section which city and country you are watching from. 3½ cups flour for 100 grams. 1 teaspoon of salt. First I mix it well with the spoon. If you like my channel, please write to me in the comments. Knead the dough well. Your likes and comments are very important to me. After kneading the dough, add 1 tablespoon of butter. Knead the dough with butter for another 5 minutes. This recipe is delicious and easy. The dough is so good. Cover the dough and leave for 15 to 20 minutes. "20 minutes later. Knead the dough very little again. If you like making my videos by voicing, please write to me. The texture is perfect. Divide the dough into 12 equal pieces. You can make any size you want. I make balls by rolling pieces of dough in my hand. Divide it into 12 equal parts. I'll cover it and wait 5 minutes. I start shaping in 5 minutes. I open the dough with a small roller. Please watch the video carefully. Applying butter. After applying the butter, I roll it in roll form. Please take care to wrap tight. Pasting the end of the dough. Ready. I make all the dough balls this way. There are many more videos you can like on my channel. Have you looked at the other videos on my channel? In order not to miss the details, watch the videos in detail to the end. It's all over. Cover for 10 minutes and wait. Ten minutes later. I'm reshaping the dough. I open the dough carefully again. Tightly in roll form. Cut the dough in half. Pressing on with my hand. That's it. I show you again, please watch carefully. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. I need your support to grow my channel. Very easy to make and fun. Place it on the oven tray and cover it. Wait for at least half an hour. Very well fermented. I rub the egg yolks on the buns. Bake in a preheated oven of 185 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. The delicious butter buns are ready. Serve hot or warm. Incredibly delicious and easy buns. Crispy outside, soft inside like cotton. Try it and taste it. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye, stay with love.